Banana peel and rice. I know it sounds ordinary, maybe even useless, but what you're about to see will completely change the way you look at these two simple ingredients. The first time I tried this, I didn't expect much, but after seeing the results, I never threw a banana peel away again. Stay with me until the very end, because the final step is what makes everything come together. Let's start. Take one ripe banana and peel it gently. This time, don't discard the peel. That outer layer most people throw away is actually loaded with nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin C. These elements are far more valuable than they look. Now chop the banana peel into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier it will be to release everything hidden inside. Set those aside for a moment. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, grab a small pan. Add the chopped banana peel into it. Then measure 3 tablespoons of white rice and pour it in. Rice has been used for centuries in traditional beauty rituals. It's known for its brightening and smoothing properties, and when combined with other ingredients, it becomes even more powerful. Pour in just enough water to fully cover both the peel and the rice. Don't overfill it. We want the ingredients to cook gently and concentrate. Place the pan over medium heat. Cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. As it cooks, something subtle happens. The rice softens. The banana peel breaks down and the water begins absorbing their combined properties. After 10 minutes, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Once it's safe to handle, transfer everything into a blender. Blend until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. If needed, add just a splash of water to help it move. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. No harsh chemicals, no expensive treatments. Just simple kitchen ingredients working together in a surprisingly powerful way. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve or a clean cloth. This step is important. We want a silky smooth base without fibers or solid pieces. Press gently to extract every bit of the liquid cream. Pour the strained mixture into a clean bowl. Look at that texture. Smooth, soft, and rich. Now we enhance it. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix thoroughly. Cornstarch helps refine the texture and gives the blend a more consistent, creamy feel. Stir everything together until fully combined. The result should be creamy, slightly thick, and easy to spread. At this point, you're probably wondering what this smooth blend is really meant for. Here's the reveal. What you've created is a natural skin rejuvenating mask. The banana peel nutrients support glow and softness. The rice contributes brightness and smoothness. Cornstarch helps refine the surface. Citrus enhances freshness and tone. Apply a generous layer to clean skin. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You may feel a gentle tightening sensation. That's normal. Once time is up, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you may notice your skin looking more even, feeling softer to the touch, and appearing naturally radiant without heavy products.